Good afternoon, class. Today we'll be looking at multiples. And multiple is a product of another number. When I say product, it's any number that you can multiply by another number, and the result is usually the multiples. Okay, so let's say for instance we're looking at the multiples of 2. They have to be some sort of sequence in it. So the sequence for the multiples of 2 is that each of the numbers would be added by 2. So we start with 2, then we had 2 more, and we got 4, right? So that's another way we can find multiples of a number instead of finding the product of the number. So today I will help you with a game to test your skills, and let's see how well you know your multiples. The rules are very simple. You just have to, so this is the game. It's called Square in Square. You would look at the chart and you will try to find squares in these squares. Let's see how many multiples you could find. And you have to draw lines to connect the squares. The first, second, and third line must have arrows to show you the direction in which these squares would be going. And you do not put an arrow at the final line that you draw. Remember, the only shape that can be in this square is another square. We don't want triangles or circles. So if you see that your numbers are forming a triangle or a circle, you cannot operate by that. It has to be another square within the big square, right? Okay. And you have to see as many squares as possible until the chart is complete. If you have already drawn a line to a number, you cannot use back that line. So let's get started with this game. So looking at the game, we see we have 3 to 6. So you put an arrow to indicate that we went in that direction. Then we have 6 to 9, another arrow. Then we have 9 to 12, and another arrow. The last line, like I said, do not have an arrow. So this is basically a square. Right? And we see we had 3, and then we had another 3, and we have 6, and we have 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 1 3, 3 by 2 is 6, 3 by 3 is 9, and 3 by 4 is 12. And we can go on. We see we have 10, 15, 20, we have 25. And you continue throughout until it's complete.